On June 17th, 1877, the Battle of Whitebird Canyon began. The opening battle of the Nez Perce War. The battle was the result of growing pressure to forcibly remove the Nez Perce Native Americans from their designated reservation in present-day Idaho, due to the discovery of gold in the region. Although numerous tribe members resisted the American expansion, they were eventually removed from 90% of their original territory. Several Nez Perce were also killed during the expansion. On June 14th, 1877, several young Nez Perce launched an attack against the expansionists near the Salmon River. Claiming to be successful in their attack, other Nez Perce warriors were inspired to mount additional attacks. After learning that additional U.S. soldiers were en route, the Nez Perce regrouped in Whitebird Canyon, hoping to avoid further conflict, but prepared to continue fighting. On June 17th, the Nez Perce and U.S. military met within the canyon for debate. During the discussion, one U.S. soldier opened fire on the Nez Perce, the exact reason for which remains unknown. The Battle of Whitebird Canyon began as Nez Perce warriors positioned on either side of the canyon returned fire. The U.S. forces were overwhelmed and forced to retreat, resulting in a significant victory for the Nez Perce. 34 U.S. soldiers were killed in the battle, while only 3 Nez Perce were wounded.